Installing Instagram try again later and daily glitch fix. If you're getting the try again later and you're facing daily glitches on Instagram, there could be various reasons for this, because if you're facing it every day, something is definitely wrong. You want to start by making sure you have a stable internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If you're using the app on Android, long press the Instagram app icon, tap the I button to come to the app info page. From here, go to storage and just try to clear the cache files and clear the data, which will reset the Instagram app. If you're on iPhone, try to offload the app. Now go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram app and check if it has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Now after you've done that, you can simply go to your browser and search for Instagram server status and make sure that Instagram is not facing outages, because sometimes Instagram servers itself could be down, that is causing such issues for you. So in that case, you have to make sure that's not the case at all. This way you can try to fix the try again later glitch on Instagram. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.